just wanted to talk a little bit about the difference between Helibond and mortar or sand and cement. So what we've got here is one set of what we'd call the Helibond ingredients. So we've got the Helibond powder and the Helibond liquid. So when you mix it, you have to mix all of those two together. You can't just do a little bit because it's all rationed out, so it has to be mixed to get the correct formula. So you have to mix that. So that'll make you 1.5 litres. So it comes in a tub like this. You'll get two sets of that, so 2 liquids, 2 powders, and that'll give you 3 litres. So just one set like that, mix it up in that tub, will give you 1.5 litres, or roughly 1.5 kg if you like, of Helibond, and that's going to cost you around £20. So it's around 50 quid a tub if you buy it from Screwfix or something, less your VAT. So you're looking at, give or take, it's around £20–21 for that. So if we compare that to mortar, so if we've got sand and cement mortar, so if we were to mix a full bag of cement, so that's 125 kg bag, and as you can see there, it says for 1 cement we do 5 to the same as building sand. So for that would be, so 5 25s is 125, so that would be nearly all that sand. They're actually slightly bigger than 25 kg bags. So that cost around 7 quid, and they were about 3 quid each, so that's 12, 7, 9, so roughly 20 quid again for all that. But that's going to make, so the 25 cement and 125 in sand is going to make you 150 kg, give or take, of mortar. So that would be a good cement mixer full, and that's enough to lay 150 bricks if you assume a kilogram per brick. So for nearly exactly the same, so 20 quid gives you 150 kg of mortar, or 20 quid gives you 1.5 litres of the Helibond. So it's 100 times more expensive, but it's doing a completely different job. And one of those packets should get you in 5,000 ml bars. So that's 1,000 ml bar. It should get you 5 of those in pretty standard size brickwork. So if you just put it into one that size joint, you'd get 5 of those in. But obviously if your joints are bigger, random stone, anything like that, it's going to take more Helibond, it's going to cost more. And then also if you start doubling up bars, you have to add more Helibond to strengthen them. So that's the big difference between Helibond and sand and cement, and you cannot fix in Helibars with sand and cement. It will go around it, but they have to be encased in Helibond for the system to work. And there's just quite a difference in price because they're doing 2 different jobs altogether.